course of action, but definitely I will put forward my observations to the director of the airport, with a copy to the collector, and just impress upon them that the conditions under which the police is living at the airport are not human, and they have to be provided with better human living conditions so that they can give the best to the public of Goa. It is inhuman and it is not healthy. First of all, they are not going to feel that they've rested when they go to these barracks or quarters, whatever you call them. See, when you go there, or you're there to be you're waiting for a call, you also have to be in a frame of mind that will allow you to do work, to act promptly, take the right decisions, and for that you also need to have a mind and a body that is rested, not under tension. These are not human living conditions. Well, I think the infrastructure that is provided is really pathetic. It is not meant, it's not livable, because I saw the room for the ladies. Half of the room is occupied by the walker, and then the rest of the room is to be occupied by nearly 20 ladies. There are no toilet facilities, which is not fair. How do the ladies manage in the nights? Where is the security aspect taken care of? So I think these are essentials that need to be put in place so that the staff, the police, can work to their best of ability and render services to the public. But if they have to face so many difficulties, and what shocked me and surprised me was when I saw the barracks specially constructed for the dogs. I love dogs, but I have seen that they have been given more priority than the human beings. Each dog has a separate AC, and well, I'm not saying they should not have, but if they have, ensure that the human beings, both ladies and gents, are provided with the same facility.